engine's been rebuilt, transmission's been rebuilt, all the brakes have been overhauled, drive shaft has been cleaned up. It's got new transmission cooling lines, new fuel system from gas tank to carburetor. Carburetor's been rebuilt, and got a little more coming in the way of that. But she runs. She sounds good. So in just a moment, the screen will black out, and then you'll see her go for her maiden movement. I won't even call it a test drive. It's all snow and ice out there right now, and I absolutely, positively will not drive it until it clears up. But yeah, she sounds amazing, and she runs well too. So yeah, see you in a minute. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you to Jed from Scott Speed Shop. Particularly, I spent a couple hours on the phone with me, help walking me through when I was putting the engine back together and ran into some issues. So again, I appreciate that greatly. Thank you very much. And hopefully you'll come back and visit us some other time. Next time we'll walk through the car and kind of see what's next on the list. Goodbye.